There are many different kinds of quadrilaterals, but all have several things in common. All of them have four sides, are coplanar, have two diagonals, and the sum of their four interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. This is how they are alike, but what makes them different? There are special quadrilaterals, a parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, and the trapezoids. A parallelogram has two parallel pairs of opposite sides. A rectangle has two pairs of opposite sides parallel and four right angles. It is also a parallelogram since it has two pairs of parallel sides. A square has two pairs of parallel sides, four right angles, and all four sides are equal. It is also a rectangle and a parallelogram. A rhombus is defined as a parallelogram with four equal sides. Is a rhombus always a rectangle? No, because a rhombus does not have four right angles. And the last is trapezoids. A trapezoids only have one pair of parallel sides. It's a type of quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram.